can see, this north wind is going to be brutal out there today. Again, we're going out to the Metro Park out of the day sail. This could be it. This could be the last trip out there this ice season. We'll see. I mean, I think they're calling for, cold weather this weekend. But they are calling for warm, I think, upper 30s, I think, to low 40s, a couple days in the 50s, some rain. So, you never know. Might be able to get in some shallow ice up in the shallow water, but we'll see. Don't know until it comes next weekend. Alright, we'll see you when we get there. Well, you know what they say. If you ain't first, you're last. Let's see here. Coming on in hot. Look at that. First one's here. First idiots here to go out on this lake when there's 30-mile-an-hour winds. Glare ice, which is going to be nice for pulling, except for here in the sand here. All right, see you in a few. This wind is brutal. I don't know what the wind chill is with 30-mile-an-hour wind. But it is wicked. So windy out here. Probably we can't even hear me. Oh, it's smacking. But I just caught one. It's probably about 8-incher. Hectic out here this morning, man. Anchored down. I hope the anchors hold. If not, we're gonna end up in freaking Canada. It's brutal, man. It's got to be 25 mile an hour, 30 mile an hour winds. This old girl holds up. Just came up. Had one. I'm trying to get all my poles set in with this, my poles for my shanty. Try to keep this thing tight to the ice. Pole set up. There's a nice fish. Come on. It's down for a minute. So anyhow, I don't know how much of an intro I did. I don't think any, really. But we're out here at Metro Park. I think I did the day sail. And we're out about 10 foot of water again. And it is brutal. The wind is just freaking be scared of the wind. If you're properly anchored down. It is kind of nerve-wracking though. I think these things could pop free any second. Just had a bucket tumbling about 100 yards to my left, doing about 40 miles an hour. Not that great of a day out here, so I'm going to keep some smaller ones today. Those 7-8 inchers. I don't have a problem eating those. God, this wind is brutal. There we go. A small one, I think. Nope. Minnow seems to be the ticket again this week. Last week it was the Rapala. This week seems to be the tungsten jig with the minnow. Ooh, that's hot. Later in the morning, they tend to do that. Come up, look at the food, and back down. Unlike me, I look at the food and eat it. Oh yeah, nothing like a little burners on a nice windy, cold winter day. Big old mark down there. Oh, come on. That's a nice fish. Throw that one back. Fish there. Nicer anyhow. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tank. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that thing. Oh. That thing is a stud. Let's get back down there. Oh, that was awesome. There we go. That's food for that last one. Oh my God. Oh my God. They got it on the drop. Oh, it's another walleye. It's another walleye. They got it on the drop. Oh, yes. Yes. I don't think that's good. Let's check that. See. Oh, just short. 14 and a half. There it is. Man, these things are just crushing the spoon. I mean, inhaling it. Because it's so sunny out, they're just getting that flash. No snow on the ice, so getting that sun's penetrating down there and flashing. Got that beaded or that hammered copper, brass, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, just barely. Would you see that? Skin. Keep it. Use his tail. Don't have to use the heads. I just rip them in half for the size. Says use the heads, use the heads, use the heads. I don't care what I use. It's just putting a little flavor flav down there. A little extra movement. Oh, big fish. Oh, it just got off. That thing was huge. I think that was a walleye. I just put that big beaded spoon on that slab grabber. Big one. Oh, that sucks. Oh, there it is. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. Nice, 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 nice. Not that nice, but it's nice. Let's keep her. God, these things just feel so big. I just dropped my glasses down the hole. Thank God I grabbed them. I bent over to move some fish over. I didn't have them on my ears, I just had them over my hat. Bloosh! Man, I juggled that thing like 3 or 4 times. Finally, I got to get a hold of him. Oh, here we go. There we go. Using a big spoon right now. is 10:18. I've got, I don't know, a dozen fish. Caught 2 walleye, a ton of perch. Not super big ones today. That one don't have hardly any stripes on it. Dead stick and a spoon. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're getting a mess here. There we go. Tell you what, if you don't do a lot of perch fishing, I'll show you in 1 second. These things, I go home every weekend because, see this gill plate? Right there on the tip, they have got the sharpest barbs on them, quill, whatever you want to call it. And they actually will stab the living hell out of you. Look at that point right there. I don't know if you can see that. That thing will get you. You'll bleed. They hurt for days. Just keep that in mind. Spoon, man. That's a big spoon, too.
Yeah. She wanted, I forgot to tell you, she wanted to say, she told me to tell you,
Where'd you see her?
Riverside Commerce Village Dentist.
Oh. Oh, that's right. I forgot you knew her. Or went to her office. Oh. Okay. Talk to Heidi about those tickets if you want them, because Joel's got them. I got to get them. is so much fun. Oh, all just dinks now. God, they're just little guys, man. Is that a nice one? No, not really. They're little though. Little 6-inchers. Skinny ones. I caught a couple that had no stripes. 2 of them. Like a school of them came in and they didn't have stripes. Very, very, very faint, but it was crazy. It's weird how that one school just came in like that, you know?
Right.
But that big one I got, dude, that thing got a hump on its back. So, yeah, if you need heat, let me know.
Right on, cool.
All right, see ya.
All right, bye.
Bye. Stinks, man. Oh, there we go. There's a nice one. Finally. Coming. Keeper. It's a head shaker. Keeper. Man. Come on, keeper. Need 4 more, man. My limit. Oh, there's a 10. Not a tank though. That's not even really a keeper. God. It's funny how they just feel gigantic, man. Head shaking and ooh, come on. Turds. You know, this is just, I know I keep saying it, but it's so much fun. Hey, can do me a favor. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please do. Let me know what you think about it. It's just something I love to do, you know? This time of year, anyhow. This could be the last time out here. Hopefully not. But you never know. The weather's looking pretty sad. I'm sure I can get out here next week and at least do some shallow water. Oh man, what is this? Okay, this is a massive perch or a walleye or smallmouth. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, this is awesome! I just. Oh god! Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh, that thing is another tank, man. Yes. Is this the last fish? Not really. No. Come on, fish. There's fish down there. They are just gonna keep me going for one stinking fish. You can't leave when you're one shy of your limit. I mean, come on. Thrown back 100 today that was short. Is this it? Oh, this is it. This is it. That is it. That is a limit. Come on. I still got fish down there though. Alright. Yes! Try for some walleye. Had no idea I'd get a limit today. This has been such a good season for me out here this year on the ice. I think the first trip was kind of slow. Me and Joel came out. I can't remember. I think it was kind of caught a couple and that was it. But besides that, we've done quite well. And I stayed in the same spot all day. Let the fish come to me. Bounce around, you're going to miss fish. You're going to, you know. I mean, there's chances you can get on them, but personally, I found that staying in one spot, let the fish swim through to you, get a break, get a snack, when there aren't fish coming through. And try everything. Beaded spoons, waxies, spikes, you name it. Minnows. Because you'll catch fish on all of them. But certain days they like certain, for whatever reason, they like I said, I think today, those beaded spoons when that sun was real bright, because they flash so much and they're fluttering. say bonus. Wally Joe.